At the market, how can we find the price of one tomato when a group price is known? Today we solve equations like a fair balance scale. An equation is a math sentence with an equals sign. The unknown is the letter we must find, and linear means the unknown has power 1. Rule 1. Do the same thing to both sides. Like sharing rice fairly, if one side changes, the other side must change equally. To remove, add 4, subtract 4. This is called the opposite operation, meaning the action that undoes another action. Example 1. Solve 2x plus 3 equals 11. First remove the plus 3 by subtracting 3 from both sides. Now 2x equals 8 means two groups of x make 8. Divide both sides by 2, so x equals 4. Checking gives 11. Example 2 is slightly harder. 3x minus 5 equals 16. Remove minus 5 by adding 5 to both sides. (3x equals 21) means 3 equal bundles make 21. Divide both sides by 3, so x equals 7. The check works. Many students get this wrong by adding 3 instead of subtracting 3. Students often confuse moving a term with changing only one side. Memory aid. Balance, undo, check. Keep both sides fair, undo the extra parts, then put your answer back into the equation. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.